going down. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make the macarons with its different flavors and different fillings. So stay with me and let's do the macarons. For our macarons, so we can make this a rainbow or different colors. If you don't like the rainbow, you can make different combinations of colors. So this one is 3 egg whites. The eggs, 3 eggs are already out from the fridge since yesterday. So this is room temperature egg. This is castor sugar, 1/4 cup, 1 cup of almond flour, and this is 2 cups of icing sugar. These are the 4 ingredients for the macarons. This is already very fine, so we don't need to pulse this. So what we do is pass this to the sieve. We combine the almond flour and sugar, and then pass this once. So it's easier now because it's not too full. So here it is, and we need to set this aside so that we can beat the egg white and the egg white. So we continue. We will mix this almond flour plus sugar here. Okay. Others, they just mix this, pour this all at once, no fuss. Divide this so that I can put color. Put this in the piping bag, 1 each color. I'm doing is I divide this into two. I get half and color it with red. I'm using a gel color. You can use a liquid color but not in this stage. If you are using a liquid color, you might as well put that on the egg. Add it when you're beating the egg white at the almost stiff stage, so you can add the color. So what you can see is when it's almost ready is this mixture is becoming shiny. So when you see it shine, it's almost ready. So it's from Japan. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm using a dark cocoa. It's Heinz. And get a little brown color, more brown to darken it a bit. So you can see this shine here. That will tell you that it is almost ready. And then see the tongue. That is ready. Set this aside. Next is we have the cream cheese. I put this here, half of this, and color this pink. So I still put red, but only color it a bit. Okay, so just to come up with color pink, not red. Okay, and it's shiny. So we do this red. It's easier if you have a cup to hold this, because this is very sticky. Okay. Red velvet. It's lovely to look at a combination of red and white. Combine this here. We'll open. These red velvet macarons I will put in the chiller for at least 20 minutes. Aren't they beautiful? The next one we do is the matcha. next is this chocolate. So, on to the chiller. Cream cheese. Set this for 140 degrees in 20 minutes. So, let's see. Oh, this red velvet. For the filling, we have 100 grams butter, less sugar, 2 tablespoons sugar. This is already very sweet. And this one is 1/4 cup cream cheese. So this is for the red velvet. Matcha, 50 grams white chocolate, and 2 tablespoons. I'll be making a ganache. 2 tablespoons of cream, and then I will microwave this for until the white chocolate will melt. So, how this white ganache, white chocolate ganache, matcha macarons. For this, I need 50 grams of semi-sweet chocolate and 3 tablespoons of cream. And I'll microwave this. Oh, I break it. For this, I will be putting a butter, 50 grams butter, 1 tablespoon, no, 1/4 cup sugar, powdered sugar, and this 1 passion fruit. Passion fruit. Beautiful Dainty Macarons, red velvet, chocolate, matcha, and passion fruit. Macarons are versatile because you can make an endless fillings and flavors, and you can combine any color to come up with this beautiful macarons. So tell me what kind of fillings you like with your macarons. I will also know. Pastries like this, please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so that you will be updated with my next video. Bye for now, and God bless everyone. Mwah.